Yo, 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 what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? I am super excited. I am hyped. And most importantly, I am blessed and highly favored. And I hope you are too. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Tony Cano, AKA Cashflow Cano. And make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below. Make sure that notification bell is on so you can get all of my most recent uploads and start tapping into multiple cash flows like myself. So, today, we are literally going to be diving into exactly what apps you need in order to create that generational wealth and that financial freedom. So let's go ahead and dive straight into this, ladies and gentlemen. So as you see here, I'm going to actually start sharing my screen phone so you can actually see this visually and hands on. All right. So first and foremost, if you have an iPhone, this is going to be on an app store. If you have an Android, this is going to be on a Google store. But the apps will be exactly the same, ladies and gentlemen. I want you guys to understand that. All right. So let's go ahead and go to the App Store. Now, the first app we are going to download is MT4. Okay. And that is short for MetaTrader 4. Now, just to give you guys a brief explanation on exactly what this is, these are where all of your investments will take place. Okay. I like to consider this the money app because this is where all of your day trading will literally take place. All right. So as you see here, you have your currencies. All right. Now, here you can actually analyze the chart as well on your own and take your own trades accordingly. Here, you'll be able to see your balance, your equity, your margin, your free margin, and your margin level percentage. If you want to learn more about this, make sure you dive back into my videos and check it out as well. All right. I actually break down exactly what these mean and how important they are when it comes to day trading. All right. Now, next, here is your history, right? All of your built-in history, very, very transparent. This will actually notify you on your wins and your losses. All right. So that's just a very, very brief explanation on MetaTrader 4. Next, we have our Shift app. Okay. Now, I want you guys to understand that this is solely based on Forex pairs and metals like gold and silver. Okay. Now, this is where you have signal providers, right? 6, 7, and 8-figure traders who are providing you with signals of their own analysis. All right. Now, just to show you guys exactly how transparent and how user-friendly this truly is, you can actually see our win-loss ratio right here. Now, I want you guys to understand that pips pay bills, ladies and gentlemen. Pips pay bills. All right. And when you're gaining pips, understand that you're gaining profit. All right. That is very, very important. Now, as you see here, we definitely win way more than when we lose. All right. Now, the next app that you need to download is the NFX app. All right. If you're familiar with binary, then you're familiar with money in minutes. All right. You're familiar with money in minutes. All right. That just gets me super, super excited because I actually got introduced to binary, I want to say about 8 to 9 months ago, and it's been completely revolutionary. I mean, it is just a complete game changer. All right. Now, just to show you guys exactly how transparent we are, once again, we win way more than when we lose. Now, the difference that really sticks out about NFX is that we have Javed, right? Javed is just 22 years old, and he is literally the top educator and binary trader in the entire world. All right. Now, understand that this young gentleman literally trades at an 89% win-loss ratio, right? That is absolutely incredible, ladies and gentlemen. He's really helping people get paid and really helping people learn this skill set. So absolutely incredible. Hats off to you, Javed. Now, the next app that you need to download is the Wall Street Master. Okay. The Wall Street Master. This one gets me honestly the most hype because of the results, right? Results speak for themselves. Okay. We all know that documentation beats conversation, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go ahead and look at some of this documentation. Now, if you're familiar with indices, this is a whole different ballgame, right? You're no longer looking at pips, right? A point in percentage. You're now looking at points, right? You're looking at points gained. So it's a whole different ballgame when you're actually accumulating these positive trades. All right. So as you see here, Miss J is literally trading at almost 100%, right? Over 1,000 points in profit. Okay, that is absolutely incredible, right? That is absolutely incredible. Then you got Ronaldo, 744 points, right? And just 247 points. Now, what's absolutely mind-blowing about these three signal providers, these three educators, is they rarely lose, right? They rarely lose, okay? Now, if you're okay with rarely losing, I highly, highly, highly suggest that you download this app, all right? Now, the next app that you need to download is going to be our Relic app, okay? And this is going to be based on cryptos, right? So we literally have signal providers doing all of the legwork on research for these tokenomics, right? They're literally doing all the legwork. All you have to do is literally plug in, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. And that goes with all four of these apps, right? All you have to literally do is copy and paste. And guess what? You're going to be learning and you're going to get to a point where you're going to be able to drop the L and you're going to be able to earn, ladies and gentlemen, right? Earn on your own. That's the whole point. You're literally tapping into these networks so you can learn and grasp this skill set, right? Because nobody wants to learn this skill set on their own. That doesn't make it any fun. Plus, you end up just losing a crap ton of money. But when you actually have a mentor or people in your corner that actually support and help you, that's going to cut your learning curve in half, ladies and gentlemen, right? And especially when you have apps and resources like this, right? Signals being provided to you on a daily basis. If you had all four of these apps, that's 4 different directions you have money coming to you, right? Definitely, definitely, definitely a game changer. Now, on top of that, the last thing that I want to point out is our Sense app, okay? Our Sense app. Now, this is going to be the last thing that you're going to want to download, okay? Now, just to briefly break this down, just so you guys can actually see this, Sense Community app, boom, right? So I wanted to show you guys this hands-on. I'm not going to log in right now, but I'm actually going to break this down for you, okay? So what our Sense app is literally a community chat where you can tap into our 6, 7, and 8-figure traders and ask them questions, right? So if you have a specific question, guess what? It's going to get answered, right? That's the type of system you need to save yourself time, energy, and money, ladies and gentlemen, right? These people know 120% of the information. So when you tap into this community app, guess what? You're now tapping into 6, 7, and 8-figure traders' mindsets. All right. So it's very, very important that you understand that. Now, these are going to be the apps that you need in order to create that generational wealth and that financial freedom. All right. So thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure you like, comment if you have any questions. I love to interact with you guys, but I will see you all at the beaches and the banks of the world. Let me go ahead and stop sharing my screen. I appreciate you all. Thank you for tuning in. And like I said, make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure that notification bell is on, and I will see you guys on the other side. Thank you.